Hey guys, this video is different because I'm going to be doing a toy review. Okay, so let me get the LPS. 1 second, they're on my desk with me right now, so just 1 second. Okay, there we go. So here are the LPS, as you can see, but they're the wrong way. So let's turn them on. Let's start with this one. So, we have a dog here. So we have a dog, and as what the YouTuber Alice LPS, go subscribe to her if you want to, or if you haven't already, you probably already have, but whatever. She always says there's a side onion. So there's a side onion on the package. That's awesome. Okay, so there's all blah, 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 blah. There is blah, 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 blah. Don't even care about that. And then we have here, you can see right there, there is all of them. So, yeah. Now, let's get started and open them. Good idea, right? Okay, yeah. Let's open them. So, 1, 2. Okay, there he is. So, let's start with the accessories. Yeah. Let's actually start with the dog. Yeah, changed my mind. Gonna start with the dog. And let's get these out of the way. Oh no! The baby's falling out of its, milk. You know, just gonna go in. There we go. Okay, so here is the male dog, cause you know it's a male dog. You know. Yeah. So you know, you see this like visor thing. You see, yeah, that's just a normal visor sitting. Sorry, I had to cough. You see, there's just a normal visor sitting on top of his head, and then when I took him out of the package, I realized it looks like hair, like it's pink hair. This, I guess it will work out for any LPS. So now I'm a mailman, male dog. Use correct English. It's not a male dog. It's a male. Wait. What? No, it's not a male man, it's a male dog. Okay, yep, that was weird. That was a weird moment. Okay, so let's just get that thing off there. Okay, let's start looking at the LPS. So you see this adorable dog. Oh, what breed it was, but you know, so it is a boy, and I really like it. It's really cute. But I don't like it more than my mascot and these type of LPS, because it is a newer version of LPS, and everyone likes these more. So yeah, it's adorable. I had to cough again. So it has some hair at the top, some weird marking. I don't know. I just don't know. And then it's kind of like a rubber feeling, like all of them. Okay. And its body is like completely plastic. Then it's like a rubber kind of up here, which is really weird. Why don't they just use all plastic, you know? Yeah, I know. Just talk. I'm taking over the YouTube channel! Ow! Okay. We're not gonna do this. Okay. So let's put this hat back on. So let's put the hair hat back on, because doesn't it just look like a hat and then some pink hair? Yeah, it does. I know. It does. So it has beautiful, bright, big blue eyes. No markings. What a disappointment. No markings like me. Just go away, hat. Okay. So he's sitting down in a position. I mean, I think that this set would have. Well, it's not really a set here. Let's get this thing in the video. It's not really a set, but I just feel like he should come with a mail truck because he's sitting down. So it'd be like, yeah, okay. So I think you guys have enough of him. He's not detailed. Get out of here. Okay, next on to the baby, who is also not detailed. Okay, here's the baby. The baby's in a really cute position. It was focus on it. Focus. Yeah, you get it. It has different eyes as the dad, but it's also a lighter color than the dad. And it is the same type of dog, and it's just really cute. Now, the accessories that it came with. This took me forever to open. Okay, it probably took me 1 minute, but like I was just using a pen and using pencils and using scissors to open it, and I finally got it open. And then that's the mailbox, and then here's a little envelope that you just, and yeah. Well, next package! 1, 2, 3! Okay then, so that was that package, and now we're going to do this lovely bird. Let's just fix my stand. Okay, now we're gonna do this bird. We're gonna do some fake magic again. You all know, it's just, you know how this works, so it's fake movie magic. So, that really have to be in the scene. Okay, so let's just do it. 1, 2, 3. Okay, okay then. I did some fake movie magic, and now let's get started with the owl. Let's start with the tiny accessories, like this mouse. It's smaller than my pinky. Why? Hasbro shouldn't even have made this mouse. It's gonna get lost. We all know it. Unless you really keep an eye on it. Well, there's that. We'll look at the baby next. So the baby's pretty cute. Isn't that owl just adorable? I had to cough. So here is it. And I love the egg that it has. That's the owl. Here, I need to bring it back down here so you can see it. Okay, and it looks like the mama. It's just a little bit lighter, like that, like the dog. Yeah, the dog. And then it comes with this nest. And I'm not gonna close that again because it was also hard to open. Stop kidding me. Okay. Just stay. Yeah, okay. And then there's the mouse. And now let's look at the mama. So here's the mama. She is really cute. I do love those glasses. I love them. We all know they're not staying on this owl. We all know that these glasses aren't staying on the owl for eternity. They're staying on a different LPS for a day, probably. Well, I actually prefer the owl without the glasses. I think she looks really cute, but they'll probably be put on the owl if I use her for a teacher, because I will. We all know it. Owls are teachers. And she's just really adorable. All of these are pretty simple. Simple? What is the word simple? Simple. They're pretty simple, not too much color. Well, what am I talking about too much color? Not too much color. There's tons of color. There's not too much designs, like me, of course. And the last one, and this one, and the dog. Yeah, and then it has little weird feet. the owl. I'm gonna put her glasses back on. Cause she, oh yeah. That actually doesn't look very good for me. What if I just raise them up a little bit? Okay, I think that she looks really strict with the glasses on. Like, they don't fit her eyes, and yeah. Alright. Wait a second. Okay, next is this set. And, okay, let's do that fake movie magic again. 1, 2, 3. A tragedy happened and I couldn't get the stupid kitten out of the package. So I had to cut it. I had to cut the kitten out of the package. It took forever. It actually didn't, but you know, she's pulling and pulling. Look how gross my fingernails are from the package. It's probably not from the package just because I don't got lotion on. It was so hard to do. That little kitten diva. That package was anyway about Diva. Because you even see that mom? That mom got a princess crown and that kitten's sitting on a throne. I'll show you. But it was so hard. It was such a tragedy. Kimberly? What are you doing? Sis, Kimberly? What's wrong? Why are you crying? Yeah, Kimberly, what's wrong? And why is there so much OPS back here? Is this a toy review? Oh, wait. Oh, no, the camera's on. Are we gonna have to cut this part out? Yeah. I'm gonna have to edit this out. Let me just, oh, dang it! I'm just gonna have to. Ow. Stupid nutches. At least it's still on the plate. The plate? Yeah, on the plate. Yeah, there we go. What happened? Was the package not right or something? What happened? A tragedy happened. What tragedy? Tell me, tell me. Yeah, tell us. Forget the food. That kitten. It's evil. And it's a huge diva sitting on a huge throne. What did it do to you? It wouldn't get out of the package. It was so hard to get out. I had to cut it out. My balls are so sore. Is this part of the video? Yes, it is part of the video. Wait. Guys, what the tail? You didn't even shut this thing off. How do you? You Great Danes really don't know how to shut things off. You know, I'm just gonna go back and take these to Jacob. Yeah, bye. Fine, Ethan. Just get out. Dude, I was trying to go this way anyways. Can I leave? No! This is my toy review! Okay, then. Okay. I need to cut this out. Okay, then. There. We'll just add, like, Okay, so hey guys, I'm back. We just had a tragic moment, and let's start with the mama cat. Okay. Oh, her crown's falling off. Here is the mama cat, and here is her lovely crown. See, I told you that they're divas. It's why that stupid kitten wouldn't get out of the package. Okay, so here it is. Hello, darkness, my old friend. Okay then. How much time have I had to cough in this video? I don't know. Leave it in the comments below if you really want to. Count all the times I had to cough. Okay, so she is actually really cute. She's not my favorite, that dog. This dog's my favorite, but because I love dogs. She's really cute, and I love the pose that she's in. I'm not a huge fan of her tail, how it's like a chair, like a candy chair looking thing, but you know. And you know, maybe they are husband and wife. You know, she works as a diva and he works as a male dog. Okay, so she's simple as all of them. Yeah, they're all simple. All the LPS are simple. Of course. And I love this crown. I've been actually wanting this crown for a while. And yeah. I'll show you why that thing is there in a second. You probably already know, but you know, maybe some people have never gotten this package and maybe they don't know. Let's move on to the baby. So the baby's adorable, like all of them. If I can just figure out, okay. So she looks like her mama. She's white, not like her mama. Her mama's pink. She has a nice, her neck is a flipper of pink, and she has blue eyes like her mama. And she doesn't have a weird chair tail. And that's the baby. Let's put her. Oh, and this is why there's a chair tail on the mama. And it's not gonna work. Don't make me. Okay. That only took me a few times. Few hundred. That's normal. Yep. Okay. That's how she turned out. Now we have. We have this brush. Here. There we go. We have this brush. Can anyone tell me what went wrong with this brush? Number 1, I hate the brush. Number 2, it's 2D. Like, what I mean is they tried to make the hairbrush look 2D, even though it's not really 2D. Number 3. I had to go off. Okay. Number 3. This hairbrush. Wouldn't you think it would take 6,000 years to brush all of that hair with these well, it actually wouldn't take very long, probably, but you know, I mean, like, I know it's like fit for LPS, but then again, you're gonna lose this. You're gonna lose all these tiny accessories. Like, this just doesn't look right. Why couldn't you have made of it like Hasbro? There's a note. Why couldn't you just made it like every hairbrush? Here, let me show you one of my old LPS, older version of LPS hairbrush, and let's compare. Here it is. It's quite cute, I guess. See how that is? I like that. Like, definitely, you're gonna get all your fur brushed in no time. But you using this tiny brush, it's gonna take you 1,000 years, probably, on me. This one is 3D. This one is 2D. in a weird way. Okay, now the more I look at it, you get to see you kind of see that thing, but when you lay it down, like what maybe you're just like you're like it's on a maybe you're playing you only have that hairbrush and it's on a counter in like an LPS bathroom. Then they walk over to it and then like it's like this is a hairbrush. This looks like a rug. You know? And yeah, I disagree with this. Yeah. Okay, move on. I don't even want to see all these tiny accessories. Okay, the mail thing is fine. I'm just gonna keep that out, but I don't like these things. The mouse is tiny, so they're gonna go in there. Okay. Okay, let's move on to the chair now. I actually really like this chair. I think it would be used for, I don't know. So, yeah. It's just a throne. It's just a throne. Oh, it landed. We weren't going to talk about that. Yeah, okay. Tell me in the comments below which of these LPS are your favorite. It could be, like, you can say you like the dog set, the bird set, or the cat set. Tell me which one you like. I also have this otter set, but that wasn't showcased in the video, so we're not going to show it. And I don't have the rooster yet, so I might get that sometime. And I don't have the bunny either. Maybe I'll get those. And I also got $20 for my birthday. I don't mean to brag or anything. Then I got some $4 for no reason. I don't mean to brag about that either. I really don't mean to brag. And yeah, and I'm going to buy some more old LPS with it so I can fill my collection with joy. And I just want you guys to see more old LPS in my videos instead of new LPS. I mean, they're good for your collection, but they're cute, maybe in backgrounds, maybe in stuff. But, I mean, I want an old LPS to be talking in the front, you know? And that's why I use a lot of my favorites in my videos, because they're really just the ones I really like. Okay. Yeah.